Are you good there? Thank you.
My name is F.
What's your name, is it?
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. How are you today, Felix?
Doing. I want the number.
Evan and Otto are just having their Japanese lesson right now.
Mommy and me eating
What are we eating?
blueberries.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Guys, we have been waiting so long for fresh blueberries. So for the past few weeks, maybe even like a month or so, we have been checking the shops every time we go for blueberries, fresh blueberries, not frozen ones. We've got frozen ones, but I really wanted fresh ones. And finally, they had some today. So we are in heaven. Are you good there? Thank you. I fed you one. They don't come cheap though. For a little tiny punnet of 125 grams of blueberries, it costs $6, which will, you know, be a little snack for like one or two of us. If we want to all eat some blueberries, it's going to cost us like $100. Okay, maybe not that much. Close.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Did you have a good Japanese lesson?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I didn't do Japanese.
You didn't do Japanese? Why not? Oh, sweetie, do you want to do Japanese? Felix? What do you think about Japanese?
On the numbers.
The numbers?
Yeah.
Oh. What did you guys do today in Japanese?
Origami.
Origami? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys did a great job.
Origami. Boys did that.
Yeah, it looks awesome, doesn't it? What do you think?
Good.
Can you say inu?
Inu.
Yeah, that means doggy. Do you like doggies?
Yeah, and cat.
And cats?
Yeah.
And how do you say cat in Japanese, Otto?
Neko.
Neko. Henry. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi. How are you guys today? Have you been having a good day? Did you have a good nap? You just playing with your Duplo? Yeah, Duplo? Duplo? Do you want to put these ones on your tower? Wow, now look at how tall it is. Say hi. Alright guys, so it's almost dinner time now. We're going to have some soup for dinner and we're going to have, what are we going to have with our soup, Felix? Yeah, olive bread. Do you want to come here? Guys. Oh, that's nice, Felix. Nice kisses. Put the boys in the bath and then realised Pearl is not going to fit. So So it's a boys' bath tonight and Pearly will get her own bath. I guess that's what happens when they grow.
Yeah, peanut.
What are you having, guys?
Peanuts and a strawberry and some sultana.
Yum. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. We will see you again tomorrow.
Bye. Now. Bye. Talk now. Bye. Talk now.
Do you boys love your babies? What are their names?
Everybody.
What are the babies' names?
Evan and Rufus.
Are you Evan and Rufus?
Yeah.
And who's that?
Henry.
Otto and Henry.
Otto and Henry.
Yeah.
Otto Henry.
Yeah.
Evan. Rufus.
Yeah.
Daddy, Mommy, phone, feeling, Piggy,
And what do you like about the babies?
play Play-Doh,
What do you like about the babies?
play Play-Doh, play Play-Doh,
Oh, you're silly.
play Play-Doh.
Goodbye. Say bye.
Yeah.